I smell coffee. Because it's time for your coffee break with ChinesePod. I'm Charlie.
嗨，大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是静林。在上次的会议当中我们知道尼克接到了在展会上接待客户的任务，他到底能不能顺利完成呢？
Yeah, if I remember correctly, Nick did not perform as well as he would have liked in the meeting. But there's an upcoming exhibition, so maybe this is his chance to prove himself.
到底进行的如何？让我们一起来看吧。
Off to the exhibition.
欢迎参观。您好，我叫尼克。
你好，这是我的名片。
王总，久仰大名，这是我们的产品型录。
这款的特色是什么？
这款不但性能强大，设计也很特别。
这款零售价好像有点高啊。
王总，1分钱1分货嘛。
你说的对。
您看有没有机会一起合作啊？
一定。不过我还想比较其他款式。
欢迎您抽空来我们公司参观，我可以为您介绍。
好，我们再联络。
没问题，希望有机会跟您合作。
So Nick is at his booth. Now he comes across a Mr. Wang. Now this Mr. Wang hands him his business card and they engage in a conversation.
这个时候我们听到尼克说，王总久仰大名，仰就是头往上抬着去看别人，大名就是名字的意思，但大名听起来比较有礼貌，我们也可以说久仰久仰。
So as Lynn mentioned, yang means to lift your head up. So if you've looked up to somebody for a long time, it means you admire them. So this phrase, if you look at it word for word, it means I have admired your great name for such a long time. But a more natural way to say it would be, no, I've heard a lot or so much about you.
没错。然后尼克把产品型录给王总看。型录
That's a catalog.
我们也可以听到产品目录。
Oh, I think when I open up a book to the contents page, that can be 目录 as well.
对。
Well, after that, Mr. Wang is flipping through the catalog and he points to a specific model. Then he asks Nick, what is so special about this model?
这款的特色是什么？款就是款式的意思。
Like a model or specific model?
我们再来看看特色这个词。
That would be specialty or special feature.
那到底这款产品的特色是什么呢？让我们继续看。尼克开始介绍产品，他说，这款不但性能强大，设计也很特别。
So Nick says, this model not only has great quality, but its design is also very special.
我们先来看性能这个词。
That would be the quality of its function, so meaning its performance.
我们也常常听到性价比。
That would be comparing its price to its performance. So that's pretty much a way to say it's value for money.
所以性价比是在比较性能和价格。比如说，这只表性价比很高。
Then we have the word 特别. Now, a little while ago, we came across the word 特色. They sound a little bit similar, but 特别 means special and it's an adjective, while 特色 it's a noun meaning specialty.
所以特色就是特别的地方。我们再来看一个很重要的句型，不但也。
Not only, but also.
我来举个例子吧。他不但长得帅，品味也很好。
So not only is he handsome, but he also has a sense of fashion. Well, thank you very much, Lynn.
我不是说你，只是个例子。
Fine example.
我们再来看看王总是如何回答的。王总说，这款零售价好像有点高。零售价很专业。
Yeah, that's retail price. So perhaps Mr. Wang, he's into retail.
我们也常听到批发价，
That's wholesale price.
他说零售价好像有点高，你觉得王总只是觉得有一点高吗？
I think he used 好像 just to show a bit of uncertainty, and so things doesn't sound very direct, therefore sounding more courteous. That's it.
所以王总只是客气而已，其实他觉得零售价很高。让我们来看看尼克是怎么说服王总的。尼克说：“1分钱1分货嘛，1分钱1分货。”意思就是，如果你花1分钱，只能得到1分钱的货。
Exactly. So if you pay $1, then you get $1's worth. So it's pretty much you get what you pay for.
在句子的
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.